Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to the channel MacBoy, where today we got some cool, bad news to talk about. But also, I'm gonna show you my dream spec of my a Hellcat, Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Plus, plus we're gonna go over cars and bids and seeing what new cars are there. And another one I'll just show you. It's about stuff about the Tesla. Uh, Teslas. They're for sale. They're a lot for sale in Taiwan, so you can go check them out. So let's start with the worst news, like the worst news of the days. Like we're canceling the jelly bean. Yeah, we're canceling the jelly bean. We're gutting that out. No matte black wrap, nothing. We're not getting the jelly bean anymore. It's gone. It's gone. So we're looking for a replacement for that car. It's rather an F type or I don't know. It's probably an F type. My uncle is gonna go and look at it. He doesn't want to join because he doesn't want to show his face. So yeah, he's gonna go and look at that F type selling at 8891. I'll pop the listing in the description below. That dude actually wants us like trade it for the Tesla Model X. So yeah. Okay, let's go here. Here, this is like the website where you could get so many old Teslas. So I'll pop this link in the description below. If you live in Taiwan, please go check this out because it's very good. I'll just find some cool. There's some Model 3s for sale. This one is for 2.22 million, which is about, I think it's about 60 something thousand in American dollars, but in America you can get this for cheaper. And this is 2.7 million. It's a 100D one. But actually I found some other bargains. This is a Model S. The actual bargain, which I sorta did not. We were looking at this one yesterday, but like it's sort of expensive. It's like $100,000. And this one's the coolest one. It's a Raven, but it's too expensive. This is like 3.92 million. It's $130,000. This one is a bargain. This one is a 90D, but it does not. The autopilot is not that good on this one. It doesn't have the camera here, so you know. And it's 2.85 million. There's some really good drivers here, which just surprised a lot. This one is also a bargain. It's 2.9 million, and there's a line ID here, which we use a lot in Taiwan. This is a P100D, 3.89 million. Pretty cool, but the ones selling here they always have black interior or bat wheels like this one. Okay, there's a lot of Model 3s for sale here. I think it's because the buildings, they don't let them have yeah. So our spec was gonna be this, but white. So yeah, we're pretty sad that we gotta lose it. So I'll pop this link in the description below because it takes a lot of time to scroll through how many Teslas they are for sale here. So yeah. Okay, I'll save the Land Rover bit for the next time, so you guys gonna see the Land Rover for next time. Like, I wish we could show it, but maybe not today. And then this is Doug DeMuro's new website called Cars&Bids. These are only 3 days left, so the Mercedes, these three actually we've gone through, so you don't need to care about that. So here we got this one is one of the best because it's only one owner example with a meticulous service booklet. I'm gonna search a definition of that later. And we have the Wrangler Renegade with only 25,000 miles. The MR2 with service records. There's like a Easter 320 wagon. Oh, Tyler, what you call it? Tyler Hoover from Hoovy's Garage bid on this one. Sure, we bid on this one because $1,200. We have two no reserve cars here. There's a Miata and there's a Corvette Coupe, this is unmodified. This is lightly modified, as you can see with the wheels. This ML55 looks cool, but nobody really wants those anymore. Okay, we got the Cayman here, which is super cute. You could wide body it like what they're doing in Summit Life. So yeah, and also some things on YouTube. We got these are old stuff, but Shmi drove the Ato GTS. Supercar Blondie. This is a year ago actually. So, and one question to ask Tavares if you're watching today's video: what happened to this? What happened? What happened? This is from another video, but what happened? Okay, in Life of Palos, we have a new cool episode that talks about dog, barrel actor, and daily driven exotics. Like they're doing a black Corvette, which is very cool. So in daily driven exotics, so go check that out on their Instagram. Doug DeMuro, we gotta talk about this dude. He bought a Stinger, the Kia, and then his Instagram post, latest Instagram post says that why buy a McLaren when you could get top 3 on trending with a Kia Stinger GT? It's mainly because he has almost 4 million subscribers, and it's pretty weird to see someone buy this car. But I really love the Kia Stinger. It's one of my favorite cars. Favorite sporty sedans. It's very safe and it's a very fast car. So yeah. And also one question, Dr. Muir, why don't you buy a McLaren? McLarens are good. But the only thing is that you lose money with some of them. And we don't need to care about this anymore. So let's just go on with the Dodge, because this is a Dodge Challenger Hellcat. And I've spec'd this up, which is really easy, so you could just spec going up. Okay, in the exterior we got triple nickel exterior paint, which is this silverish grayish color. We got dual carbon stripes, 20-inch granite pocket wheels, P0 summer tires, which is pretty cool. You gotta add money for those. And we got Hellcat logo, Laguna leather seats, and black diamond red seats, and sound systems. Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4-inch display, Hammond carded audio group, power sunroof, and we got the plus package, driver convenient package, technology group, Laguna leather package, carbon and suede package, we got powertrain, we got the 612 supercharged Hemi V8 SRT engine, 6-speed manual, Tremec transmission, gas guzzler tax, and engine block heater. And I want to just add something on. Oh, no, not really. So let's just go to Dodge.com actually. Go here to Dodge.com. It's kind of sort of You gotta kind of sort of wait a bit for that. So, yeah. And one thing I want to ask Dodge executives watching today's video, where's the Viper? Where's the Viper? Where's the Viper? Where's the Viper? Is it Dodge SRT? Where's the Viper? Whoops. Where's the Viper? There's only the Durango Charger and the Challenger, but where's the? I just don't know. I haven't been following Dodge, so I don't know where the Viper is, but like I'm kind of sort of wanting to spec a Viper up, but the only thing we could spec up is a Challenger. That's why I did the Challenger. I customized one. Because let's do 360 Explorer. Wait a sec. It's kind of bad. Yeah, click to Explorer. Dun, dun. This website is just like a Jeep website. It's sort of just like the Jeep. And then you could drag everywhere. This is quite cool. Let's see the back, because you couldn't see. I'm pressing the ASD buttons. Oh yeah, we found it. There's a decent back seat. It's a 4-seater, so yeah. And I think that's it, but we're also gonna touch on the challenge, so let's see how many subscribers I still have. Because I'm trying to win this competition. It's fine because my friends got a 1-year head start. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Please don't go back to the city. Gotta. It's kind of sort of slow. Maybe the Wi-Fi is no more. Okay, fine. I guess we have more than 16 now. So please, if anybody new watching today's video, please subscribe. Because I'm trying to get as many subscribers as I like. More than Jonathan, which has 25 now. So please, if you could, please just give likes, share, subscribe, and also give a comment down below. Any comment you want. If you want to comment on me or how I look, or like give me any video ideas, you can also email me by themacboy.mark@gmail.com. And I guess we could see Mark sometime in my friend Robert's birthday party. So yeah, and I think that is it for today. Very sad news on the Tesla, but we maybe could get an F-Type, bro. We could get an F-Type, and we could do even cooler mods on that car, like straight piping it. And I'll see you again in the next video.